Roblox hack nobody tells you about in 2026. So in here, the very first thing that you have to do is obviously get into your account. Simply open your Roblox, simply log into your account, right? So in here, the very first thing that I would love to show you guys is you can actually use the creator dashboard in order to track your game stats. So for that, what are we going to do is simply click on the create option that you'll be able to see right here, and then from here, now if you click on creations, you will actually be able to track your game stats from here. So another thing that I would like to tell you guys is you can actually add in your favorite games for your quick access. So let's just get into our homepage, and in here, let's just say I very much like playing this particular game right here. And what I'm going to do in order to get whenever I want is simply click on the favorite icon right here, and then after doing that, it has now successfully been added to our favorite, right? So in order to view it all the time, you'll be able to simply click on profile right here, and then from here, if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see all of your favorite games, so that it will be much more easier for your access. So after doing this, the last thing that I recommend you guys do is you can actually enable two-step verification for your better security. For that, you would need to simply click on the gear-like icon right here, then tap on click on settings. Then from here, what we're going to do is simply click on security. After doing that, here you'll be able to see two-step verification, right? So in here, you can actually enable two-step verification using your email, your authenticator app, or hardware security keys and authenticator app. That would be very much secure. So if you want to do that, you can simply do that just like this. So yeah, these were some hacks that nobody tells you about of Roblox.